Welcome to Warifin, your gateway to analyzing African stock markets with intelligent tools. We begin on the main Warifin dashboard, which serves as our central hub for market intelligence and portfolio tracking. To dive into regional insights, we select Africa Intelligence from the navigation panel. The system aggregates real-time metrics and regional data to give us a comprehensive market overview. Opening the Market Explorer lets us search and browse exchanges across the continent. We can see a list of supported regional markets, each offering unique investment opportunities. Choosing the BRVM exchange focuses our view on West African regional securities. We can now browse the active listings on this exchange to find a candidate for deeper analysis. To evaluate this company, we initiate the 5-question formula to run an automated fundamental check. The platform pulls live financial data to score the security against our core investment criteria. With the initial score reviewed, we close this panel to compare other options in the list. Selecting a different security allows us to run a side-by-side mental comparison of market options. We apply the 5-question formula to this second stock to see how its fundamentals hold up. The generated scorecard highlights key strengths and areas of caution for this asset. Since this stock shows promise, we decide to save it for ongoing monitoring. Adding it to our BRVM Plus watchlist keeps our regional selections organized in one place. We click outside the menu to clear our view and focus back on the detailed breakdown. Reading through the decision explanation gives us the context behind each scored metric. We close this panel now that we have a solid understanding of this security's potential. We navigate directly to the dedicated 5-question formula tab to perform a custom search. Looking down the page reveals additional resources, including advanced charting options. We return to the top search bar to look up a specific ticker from our target list. Activating the search input lets us type the name of the company we want to evaluate. As we enter the name, the system queries the database for matching listings. We select the correct company from the suggested results to load its profile. Clicking Analyze. This stock triggers the formula calculation for our chosen security. The report displays a structured breakdown of the stock's financial health and valuation. Switching to the Chart tab allows us to perform technical analysis on this asset. We click the search field within the charting tool to load our target security's historical data. Typing the identifier helps us pinpoint the exact security we want to plot. Choosing the asset from the list loads its historical price action onto the canvas. The interactive chart displays price movements and trading volume over time. Adding the SMA 50 overlay helps us identify the medium-term trend direction. Enabling the MACD indicator provides insight into momentum shifts and potential crossover points. Activating the RSI indicator helps us determine if the stock is currently overbought or oversold. With these technical overlays in place, we can spot key support and resistance levels. To complement our manual analysis, we ask the AI analyst to interpret the combined chart data. The AI processes the technical indicators and price trends to formulate an objective outlook. We click Y next to the outlook to understand the underlying factors driving this prediction. Checking the trend explanation reveals how specific indicators contributed to the overall analysis. We review the written summary to align the technical signals with our investment strategy. We scroll back up to correlate the AI's written insights with the visual chart patterns. Observing the indicators alongside the commentary clarifies the current market setup. Selecting the all time frame gives us a macro perspective of the stock's multi-year performance. Analyzing the long-term trend helps us understand how the stock behaves across different economic cycles. Finally, we capture the chart to save our annotated analysis for future reference. You have successfully navigated the African stock markets, analyzed fundamentals using the 5-question formula, and generated technical insights with the AI analyst.